If you're looking for a gentle way to maintain your pet's nails at home, this Javtoku dog nail grinder offers a ultra-quiet operation with 3-speed settings suitable for dogs and cats of all sizes. It features LED lighting to help you see the nails quick for safe trimming, and uses advanced diamond drum bit technology for precise filing. The light turns on here. It has a ergonomic, lightweight design that includes multiple grinding ports for different pet sizes. The rechargeable battery charges up to 6 hours of use after a 3-hour charge. The cordless grinder eliminates stress from traditional clippings through its silent motor technology.